Hey guys, sending you love and light from Puerto Peñasco, Sonora, Mexico. Just a quick reminder that if you get near nature, you can have a new additional peace and tranquility. So try your best to get near nature if that's possible to you. If not, there's actually some really cool audio like podcasts and YouTube channels, and I think Spotify, where you can actually play the ocean waves in the background. So that could be useful if you can't get to something like nature. They have one with rainforests and things like that. So try that and hopefully it'll help.